Hi, boys and girls. Now, earlier we were doing the median for lesson 3 in chapter 9 for measures of center. Now we're going to be doing the mode. Now, we did find the mode and the median for a data set that had numerical values or numbers. This time we're going to be finding only the mode for a data set that does not have numerical values. So if we look over here to our example, we have a list of favorite types of movies. So imagine there was a group of 24 people that were asked what their favorite type of movie genre is. There were 4 to pick from. There was comedy, drama, horror, and action. Each person picked their absolute favorite. So of that survey, this is the data that they retrieved. Now, we can find the mode, but we can't find a median because how do we find a median between horror and action, for instance? It's not possible. So the only thing we can find here is the mode. So I've already begun creating a chart. Now, this is a typical chart that you would create for this type of data. So we have our type, we have the 4 different types: action, comedy, drama, and horror. And now we need to tally put tally marks on our chart from our list of data. And of course, as always, as we go through and put our tally marks, I'm going to cross off our data list. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to do this column first. So I see I have one for horror. I'm going to cross that out. I have another one for horror. Now I have one for action. Another one for action. One for comedy. Another one for horror. Another one for action. And now one for drama. Now I'm going to move on to my middle column. In my middle column, I have, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. I have 2 for drama. So 1, 2 for drama. I have 1, 2 for comedy. So 1, 2 for comedy. I have another one for drama. And I have 1, 2 for comedy. So 1, and now I'm going to mark this way to make groups of 5 to make it easier to count. And 1 for action. And my last one, I have a comedy, horror, another comedy. Comedy's looking pretty good. Action. And again, who doesn't like a good comedy, right? Who doesn't like a good action movie too? We have one for horror, another one for comedy, and 2 for horror. Now, as you can see, we've marked off all of our items from our data survey, and we have them all listed in our chart. So now I'm going to add up. I have 5 for action. I have 5, 6, 7, 8 for comedy, 4 for drama, and 5, 6, 7 for horror. Now, which one occurred most often? Well, the largest number, of course, is 8. Now, does that mean 8 is our mode? No. 8 is the number how many times it occurred. Comedy is our mode. And that is how you find the mode for a data set that is not numerical values.